Hi, we're Periwinkle Planner Co., and we hope you enjoy the video.
Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co., and today I'm going to be planning in my classic size vertical happy planner. It's wearing one of our snap covers from our shop and one of our laminated covers from our shop. And I use this planner basically for a wellness kind of planner, my type of wellness, journaling and such. And this month I'm answering these prompts every day. So since I'm answering prompts every day, I want to have some type of lines every day. So this is how this week is looking. Today is Wednesday. And then I'll be filling the prompts in on here. So what I'm going to do for this week, instead of drawing the lines like I have the past 2 weeks, I found all these line stickers. And I'm going to be using the Farmhouse sticker book and the original Homebody sticker book. And that's where all these stickers came from. So I have these pulled, and I have, and I have these pulled. So let's see what we can do with these. Kind of going for more of a neutral spread this week, which is kind of funny because these colors are, well, I guess they could be considered neutral if we cover her up. It's just kind of a green and a peach. Actually, a very dark coral, not even a peach. Oops, I'm losing my pen here. Right, so let's see, I forgot we have to cover her up. Do I have something that would work for that? Nothing really big. Well, we are going to have to use some sticker paper again like we did last time. So let's cut this to fit her size about. And then I will probably stick another sticker over it because this is still kind of see-through. Putting it on there. Let's see if I can get the backing off. Came off really easy that time. That's nice. So I'm just going to stick this over here. And then when I stick the sticker on here, I probably should have whited her out over here. You may have to add something else. We'll have to see. I'm going to put this striped one on here just because it's a little bit busier, so it will hopefully cover her a little more. I'm going to fit it right in here. Yeah. Didn't really want it to cover that coral line, but it is. Oops. That means it's not straight if we can see the coral on that side and not on this side. Let's try this way. I'm still gonna line them up better sideways. What about you? What way do you use to line your stickers up? Or do you not even worry about lining them up? Okay. Yeah, see, we can still see her. So maybe I'll have to what else could I put there? I have this one flower that maybe we will put it over here instead of putting it on the, why don't we? I'm just going to make a decision here. We'll stick it over here along the side and then maybe like this. And it will just be part of the sidebar and then she's covered up. Alright, and there's a little tiny leaf that was extra on that page that I thought I could add in here somewhere. Maybe like here. Or down here. It curves that way, that's the only thing. Let's get this on here somewhere. I don't know if that looks right there or not. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Except all the glare. Okay. Alright, so we started. Now what? Oh yes, we have to do these other so this on this side, so I need another quote over here, but I also want to do the line boxes. So the line box is going to start up here, and we have, should we start with another, we have 3 of those, so let's do a peach one here. This one says today's focus, but I'm just going to use it for it's funny, these are a little smaller. I'm going to use it for writing down the journaling prompt. All right, then we gotta get this big box somewhere on this side. Thinking right here, but that's the same as that one. The quote could go there, or the quote could go up there. Let's see. We're putting it down here. I think sometimes you just think too much about it and then just put it down. Now the only thing is this is a clear quote, so I am going to white this out. I don't do this too often, but, and I didn't do it over there, but I kind of think this one needs it. Do it most of the way here. And hopefully you won't see it too much. Okay, so that's how it's looking so far. So then I have this one to go with, which one? This one to go with this one. I have these little wreaths, and I thought if I put this kind of in the middle, and then I have 4 of these, so I thought if I put some leaves behind it, maybe it'd look kind of pretty. But now I just have to decide where to put them because I do need room to write. So there's 2 here, so I can put it on this day, except I can kind of put it this way instead. Like that. I'm not going to push it all the way down yet because I'm not quite sure. What's the other one I have? This heart. This wreath for over on this side, which is going to go up here. I have another spray to put in this one, which could maybe go like this, I guess. Definitely something like that. I think that looks okay. I do have more that I could put on each side of this. Do I want more in there, or like this maybe? I want like this and like, I'll already put this one though so it's not completely overtaking the box. Oops, and I just pushed it down. Uh-oh. Like that, kind of like that. Okay. Another way to figure out where you want to place your stickers is to not push them down all the way. That works. Let's see, what else do I have? I need a coffee cup, and I need to have a clock because I do have an appointment on Tuesday. So we're going to put that up on top because I need to remember to get up early. So this I can write about the appointment then. All right. Let's see. What else do we have? A little bit of washi that we could stick somewhere, maybe. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, I could stick it, you know, here maybe, or up here. Stick a little bit right there. Get my slice tool out, which I like these better than X-Acto knives because you can't cut yourself, see? But yet it works really nice. So since I have so much of this, I can actually do this a couple places, can't I? So we'll do there. Let's do right here. Where else? Unless I just do those two. Kind of plain here. Do I have anything to put up there? Let's hold off a minute, and we can put. I kind of wanted to put. That's too big to fit there. Shoot. Notes over here. Maybe wait out the weekly highlights. That fit over it. It kind of fits over it. Maybe we could do that. And just have this, look, the flowers just can peek out just a tiny bit. That even worked. Didn't even have to white out anything. All right, so that brings that in there. And I have 2 black quotes and some arrows, so I could put some more of this maybe across here like this. What if I did that to kind of, you know what though? Let's switch it around because it looks like it's cut off there. Can I do that way? Or not? Maybe I'll cut it into a flag or something. Don't know yet. I want to put black quotes. Enjoy moments that make you slow down. See good in all things. I guess it doesn't matter which side it goes on. Just where do I want to put it? Well, let's put it. I put it on here. It's going to cover up that last block, though. I could go down a little more. That. And then this one, definitely could put it here because it's not going to go on anything there. All right, I had those little arrows. I'm kind of thinking this today thing won't work anywhere. But we could do these arrows somewhere. I don't know if I want to put them in the boxes or if I should just put them over here. I could just put one here. And do I want to put one here? Or maybe just over here? They kind of look cute there too, huh? Oh, I don't know. There, no, there. Or maybe just leave it. I could just put it down here. What if I put it here? Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I had this big banner and then I had this today, but that just is not going to fit anywhere. So I'm just not sure about this. Kind of looks like it's just kind of floating in there. I put it down here more. But then you got that space there. I don't like that either. Okay, let's try this up here. Right underneath the line. Or should I even go over more? I could do that. I could go way over here. And then just make it end up there. Then we have that. Not liking this. What if we put it down here instead? To cover up the bottom part of that sticker, yeah. Okay, so that's good. Now there's this one though. It seems so empty right here. Unless I put it way up on top. So that it's not in a box, you know. like that. Or should I move it over a little bit? Let's move it over. I'm gonna move it this way. Okay, there, I think I'm done, because I need room to write memories about the day, and then I also need room to write my answers to my prompts. So as long as we have a space on every day, this one, this one, this one, we're good. Okay, so that looks good. Let's grab the planner and stick it back in here. And again, last week of February. And then we move into March. Let's see what color March is. March. March is going to be blues. Okay. All right, so I use stickers from Farmhouse and from Homebody. Trying to use some older stickers that I haven't used in a while. Oops, let's put my pen back in here too. All right, tuck that guy in. There you go. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.